What's up, guys? Welcome to your 85th Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do in this tutorial is basically, get rid of this garbage right here and set up our application to actually be running properly. So what we're going to do is again, just to highlight, we're going to use the TabHost, which we gave the ID at plus ID TabHost. So that's mainly the most important one that we're going to refer to, as well as the specific layout here within our frame layout. We have those IDs as tab 1, tab 2, and tab 3. So that's kind of an important thing to realize or remember what those references are in Java. But let's just get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a tab host called TabHost, or TH, short for TabHost, and then you import TabHost. Then we say TabHost like this as well. Find view by ID, nothing new for the most part. I mean, it's a TabHost, so that's a little bit different, but then r.id.tabhost. So we set that up. Now the first thing we want to do is, the first thing that, man, I just didn't spell that correctly at all. First thing we want to do is set up our TabHost, because again, the TabHost kind of organizes everything, and once we say th, which is the TabHost that we set up here, we can use .setup, and that's just going to basically, get the initialization going on, kind of set up the basics. And now we can actually add our tabs. We can kind of organize it, organize what we want our tab to be, what kind of content we want the tab to have or hold. Again, the content being our layouts, our linear layouts. So all we have to do now is just say, again, our tab host, or we're going to refer to the tab specs, which comes from the TabHost class. So tab specs, and we're going to call this TS for tab specs.